Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Brocanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be installing a remote start module in a 2018 Kia Sportage. So the remote start module that we'll be installing is from a company called My Key Premium. This is for model years 2011 through 2025 Kia Sportage. In this video, we'll be installing this in a push start Kia Sportage. Now there is a version that works with key start Kia Sportages. So I'll have a link in the description below where you can, pick either the push button start module or the key start module. What comes in the box is a user manual. Kind of goes through an inventory of what comes with the kit and also some definitions and how to use the remote functions. You'll also get a card with a QR code for installation instructions and also helpful links to videos. The control module. And the T-harness. So My Key Premium makes remote start modules for various Hyundai and Kia models, and also some select Genesis and Toyota models as well. Now I'll have a link in the description below where you can get this remote start kit. And as always, I'll have helpful captions throughout the video. With that said, let's start brocanicking. everything is installed, just remember what orientation these harnesses, these connectors were, so you don't get them mixed up. And then to the MyKey Premium module, it's just these two connectors here. You want to install this harness first and then this one second. This is the power connector here, so this goes last. And the only thing you need to do is to confirm that these switches, these dip switches, are set to this setting here. So make sure that 1 and 3 are toggled up, 2 and 4 are toggled down. And the next set of switches, that number 1 is toggled down and everything else is up. So what I'm going to do now is button everything up, and then we're going to give her a test. See if we can get her started remotely. Let's keep mechanicking. So everything has been buttoned up. I kind of tucked everything all up underneath there. Used some zip ties just to get the harnesses, those hanging and everything like that, just kind of all organized back here. The module, I just pop this panel out right here and just kind of place it right down here at the base. And that's safe and away from anything that'll cause any harm to it. So that's pretty much it. Now, let's give her a start. So, let's just lock the door first. Okay, so now to do the remote start, what we need to do is to double click the lock button. So you press it once, wait about a second, and then press it again. So 2 quick presses. So it's like 1, 2. And then you hear the beep. And it's going through the process. And there it is. So now, the vehicle will stay running for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then when you get in, as you approach, it will unlock the door for you. Now note that it's not fully on. So to turn the vehicle on, all you need to do is step on the brakes. So I'm going to step on the foot brake there and watch the radio come on. And when that happens, the mirrors, if you have retractable mirrors, they will open up for you. So we are pretty much good to go. That's it. Really easy install. Well, gang, that wraps up another project. The MyKey Premium Remote Start Module for 2018 Kia Sportage. Now this is for model years 2011 through 2025, and there are 2 types. There's one for the push start and one for the manual key. I'll have a link in the description below for both of them. I really appreciate you guys checking out the channel and watching this video. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. I'll see you guys on the next one. This is your Hawaiian Mechanic. Aloha.